All right, welcome back to another quick tip tutorial. What we're going to be looking at here is saving a default audio track. Now it's pretty straightforward. All we need to do is we need to select the settings that we like. Okay, I typically go -10 on here, so -10. Cool. I find that's a good start point. All right. And then what I also like to do is set resample as the default. Cool. Now, if you right click here, you can assign or save as default audio track. That means instead of just bouncing in at random, this is going to default the audio track. Just hit yes. And every time you create a new audio track, you're going to see a resample -10 is set up and ready to go. You do this with MIDI tracks, for example. You got preferred outputs. You could do this with return tracks as well, but I'm a big fan of the resample feature here in the I/O section. Now, if you've forgotten, I/O is just here, so you can pop that out. Have a look at it. All right. Very, very short one today, but it's a good one. All right. I'll see you in the next video.